Ayan, good morning guys. Dito ako sa bahay. Nagluluto ng pakbit. Pakbit na may giniling. Ayan. This is our vegetables. Ayan. Mixed vegetables. So today is my day off. I'm cooking ground pork and mixed vegetables with shrimp paste. So yun na yun guys. And then mamaya meron akong ayan chili gulaman. Maubusan kami ng gas, so di namin ma-afford. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. Today is my rest day. After this, maglalaba and magpiprepare na tayo ng lumpia. Lumpiang Shanghai with chicken inasal. Homemade chicken inasal. Inang inasal yung title ng ating chicken. So, yun lang guys. Hindi ko na hahabain yung aking videos kasi I'm too much busy now. Today is my rest day. So, thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye.